DJM TV.
That he should show forth the agitation of the youth, of the whole people, the children, the yet unborn, and future generations. My brother, we might not be opportune to live in good countries, or might not be opportune to have been in good countries. For those who have been there,
another challenge you, double challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you. The banner which you set, you must dissolve it. Another challenge you, this one serious challenge you, another challenge you, double challenge you. You tell us we are lazy, we come to tell you. We are vibrant youth, we are not lazy at all. Another challenge you, another challenge you, another challenge you.
Everyone, welcome to Blood Skincare. We are here to introduce our product to you. It's very effective and affordable. It works for pimples, rashes, sunburn, eczema, and black spots. So we've been hearing a lot of complaints from people that they've been using other products and it hasn't been working. Just try this one, you thank us later. Products like caramel lotion, body whitening milk, different kind of product, like different kind of shower gel for you, and it's not going to damage your skin. It will make it glow. Do you want to whiten up? Do you want to maintain your skin? Do you want for your children? Do you want for yourself? Purchase our product. It's very safe for you. You need to look beautiful and attractive in December. I'm telling you guys, you will love our products. We just delivery worldwide. Contact is on the screen. Just contact us and make your orders anywhere outside or within the country. Don't forget to place your order now.
DJM TV. DJM TV.
People are people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJM TV.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
Some of the delegates and ask the question.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.